In this video, we will guide you through the process of adding physical desktops for monitoring using EG Enterprise. First, log in to the EG console and navigate to the monitor in your Discover option. From there, select the Physical Desktop section. Once you have selected it, enter a name for the physical desktop group. This name should be logical and relevant to your specific environment. Next, choose the remote agent that you wish to use for monitoring purposes and click on Update. In the next screen, click on the download icon that appears. The next step involves selecting the communication method for the VM agent. You can choose between manager-based communication or remote agent-based communication. Regardless of your choice, the VM agent must communicate with the remote agent through the default port specified, or you can configure it to use a desired port. In this video, we will use manager-based communication, which comes as default. Next, select the appropriate script or package to download. I will copy the script and paste it into the physical desktop terminal to install the VM agent. This installation would take few minutes to extract and install it. Post-installation, we will see metrics related to physical desktop group. In the user experience dashboard, we will be able to view all the KPIs metrics related to each individual desktop users.